Say we want to hide information that's stored in a document, just as example. So you see a lot of custom properties here for this shape, and you want um, to send this drawing away to show the principle or to let someone check the shapes for you. And yeah, so you could of course delete or write all the custom properties, but some of these properties um, are linked to macros which change the behavior, the visualization of the shapes, how they appear. So that's not a good idea. Having this Visio synchronization tool, we can use that to overwrite the right properties. So which properties are they? Let's say it's everything here in the top area of my drawing, and the functions that I have is if I don't know these properties, I could of course now open the shape sheet of the valve here, show shape sheet, and then check for all these properties, and then write that in my data table to overwrite the properties. But if I can do it automatically, that's of course better. And let's try to do that. I want to keep my page because the examples took time to enter, so I will work on a duplicate page 3 here in this case. Let's even rename it. Safe version. And within this page, I will then select one shape with those properties, go over to my VisioSync ribbon in Excel, do an import shapesheet, and that will basically read all the every cell in the shapesheet of that shape. So these are now all the properties that have been extracted from the shape, and I've got almost 1062 cells, but that seems overwhelming. No need to worry. You just go here. This row in Excel here shows you. Oh, that's that is broken. So let's look. So shape properties. So shape sheet, cell name. Now it's there. I just needed to edit it once, so it is so that I get all the fields from this table. Here, that's the cell name. And now back, I can go now into my my data table and check for the properties to import. So let's say I've got here Benennung English and the function English also. Let's say I want also the German version of that. And that's as easy as to write prop, and it should show you already which props are available. If there's no demonstration effect, well, it's not working, I'm sorry. No. Okay, let's do it by hand. I know the name. Prop Benennung and prop Funktion. And all I have to do now, so the condition is cell exists prop fg for function group. I just go to VisioSync and I'll read in all the properties of that page, and just to check whether it's fine. Yes, it's the right page, connected. Now I can go to auto update, and so that I don't update the values of the cells here when I do my editing, so that I can use formulas. And let's say that could be a random number of 10,000, and maybe I want an int of it, f2 int, to do it Control C, Control V, and maybe I could now Control C, overwrite these properties everywhere with random numbers. So that at the end my drawing still looks the same, but with complete random numbers. Now I push all data to Visio. That takes some seconds. And here you have it, all filled in with random numbers. And that's it.